Hello to everyone, guys. Today in this video, I will show you how to unfollow assignee of the task. Uh, what it means, I will just show you in a while. But before that, let me just tell you that I'm using for this practice Odoo 16 Community Edition, and as usual, Visual Studio Code, just for the sake of the practice. Uh, the customization in my custom folder. The name of my custom module is customization. And let me just show you the scenario today that what we are working on today. So we are just going to click on project application. But before that, let me tell you, if you have not installed project application, what you can do, you can go in apps, Odoo apps, and here you can just write project. And once you will just press enter, you can see project app there. And if you have not installed it in Odoo 16, it will be written here activate, and in Odoo 15 and earlier versions it will be written here install. So once you will press install or activate, it will be installed. So let's go in project app, and what I'm talking about today. So if we go in tasks, my tasks, and let's create a new task here. So what we do, we say that test task 1. And so this is the assignees. So the scenario is we don't want to send email to Mitchell admin who is assigning the task. And the technical field for this user underscore IDs. This is the many to many field. Many people, this task can be assigned to many people. So let's suppose we are just in this first test scenario, we are just going to assign Mitchell admin customer ticket is, or customer in this task is Azure, and we are going to create this. This is test task 1, create. Okay, it has been created. If we go in our my tasks now, the task name is test task 1. We open and click it. So if you can see here, automatically the person who this task has been assigned is Mitchell admin, and it has already added in followers list. And once any user has been added in the followers list, automatically an email notification has been sent to uh, this user. So let's suppose we are going to create a new task now. We say test task 2, and we are going to assign it to Mark Demo and Mitchell admin. Customer for this, Anita Oliva. Okay, um, let's create it. It has been created. We go in my tasks now, and we see test task 2. If you can see that automatically the 2 followers have been added, and automatically 2 emails also have been sent to Mitchell admin and Mark Demo. So today's scenario is that we don't want to send emails to these 2 guys who this task has been assigned. This is just I just came across with this kind of solution, with this kind of issue a couple of like months ago, and I did find very less help on internet, and YouTube as well, and so I just decided that I will talk about this. So how we can resolve this? Let's go in Visual Studio Code, and first in our custom module, and in my models directory, I have already created a file. Name of that Python file is project_task. You can name anything. And in that file, we are inheriting project.task. I haven't got anything at the moment. It's just a class, simple class. You know how to inherit a model. And in that model, that's the name inherit and nothing else. And how we are going to achieve this issue, uh, let me just show you. So first of all, what we are going to do here, we are overriding a create function. So there are two parameters in a create function, and let's just go in the base modules. So I just show you that where is the create function which I'm talking to you about. Why create function? Because this following this action has been triggered by creating this create button, and the function behind this is create. Where is that? Let me just show you. So if you just go in Visual Studio Code and you go in Odoo base add-ons, and we just go and find project. That is the module name. We go in project and then models, and the file name is project.py. So here, uh, so this is the function name which I'm talking to you about. You can also read this function as well. So define create. This is the function behind that operation. This function is basically creating all that. It's adding, and where it's doing it here, self dot. It's running another function which is adding user IDs in followers list. So we are in overriding this function. So how we are overriding like that, you already know. In my other videos, I have already told you how to override a create function. So here we are passing um, variable, we say res, and then we are supering this. I have already told you in my previous videos how to super a create function. And here we just need to give our class name, which I'm giving. And then after that, self and dot create, and then we are passing our vals, which is these vals. Okay. Okay, now this is, we have already super this create function. So after that, we are before returning this res, we say that we want to add some condition. So we are saying that if res dot message and follower underscore IDs. Guys, what is that? So basically, already when we create a task automatically, the function which I have showed you in project.py, this one, task underscore message underscore auto subscribe notify, basically this, when this function is running, it is basically uh, running another function which is in mail.thread, and that is passing the user IDs in this field, which is one to many field there, and that is called message underscore follower underscore IDs. So let me just show you. If I go in Odoo front end, and if I go in settings, and in technical go in models, and in models I will search mail.thread. This is the name of the model, and in mail.thread, this is the field which is um, message follower IDs. So this is one to many field, and the base model for that is mail.followers. So if I show you this model, if we go in this model, you can see this is the basically information of the assignee, like Mitchell admin or Mike demo. So display name, email. So in this model, it is actually saving the values and then it's sending the email. So if I will tell you in more details, this video will be too big. You just go in documentation and also look at uh, this field and documentation as well. So we are here, what we are doing, we are just looking for uh, in these IDs, and then we are making a loop. We say for record in res dot. this field. That's it. And then we are saying that if record dot partner ID is equal to self dot env dot user dot partner underscore ID. I just explain you what I have written here. And then if it is, we say record dot unlink. Simple. And then we are returning our res. That's it. So uh, well, again, let me explain it to you. So we are looking for the message follower IDs. So, and in this case, that is Mitchell admin and Mike demo. And then we are making a loop because there can be two, because that is a many to many field. There can be uh, more than one values as well. So that's why we are looping it. And then after that, we say if the partner ID is equal to, so basically what is self dot env dot user, that is the that is a signed in user. So it's basically signed in user. Who that is? That is uh, Mitchell admin. So basically it's finding that partner ID, and if that is the case, it's just unlink. It's just saying that it's taking it out from the message follower IDs and then returning it. So that's it. So let's restart our Odoo service and upgrade our module. I hope there are no errors. Okay, sorry, it's taking long. Let me just pause this. Okay, it's been done. And no errors. Okay, so let's go to project again, go in the tasks, and then create another task now. So we say that test task 3, um, Mitchell admin. I'm going to assign Mitchell admin, just me, and customer is anyone. And then I'm going to create this. Okay, required positional. Let's, okay, let me just look at that. Where is this error? I know. So whenever we are overriding create function, we need to give a decorator, and which is in this case API.model. Sorry for that. Restart it again, and let me upgrade my module as well. Okay, my module has been upgraded. Let's go to click project and then my tasks. Create a new task. Test task 3. Yeah, choose any customer and create it. Okay, let's look at that. And if you see test task 3, it has not added any follower to follower list, which is technical field is message underscore followers underscore IDs. And so that's why no email has been sent. So this is it. Let's create another one. Test task 4. And I'm going to assign to Mark demo, and customer is create. And now we are going in my tasks, and this is the task which we have created. So you see that it has one email has been sent to Mark demo, but not me, not the self because we have put in condition self.env.user.partner ID. So basically, this is the signed in user, which is Mitchell admin. So that's why uh, it's only sending to the other follower. So, but if you want to unlink both followers, you can do that. You can just add another condition. So, but this is just to um, show you the scenario, just to show you the solution, and just show you the direction that where you can go and change your code or add other condition. So ball is in your code, guys. So you can do whatever you like. And I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like it, share it, subscribe my channel, and yeah, we will come up with another fantastic solution. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys.